Hello and welcome to Motor Match Bolton. My name's Tom and today I'm going to be doing you a full walkthrough video on this absolutely brilliant Hyundai i20 1.2 Active. It does come to us with 42,420 miles on the clock and it is a petrol. If you are interested in this vehicle at any point during this video, please give us a call on 01204 786 586. It does come to us with service history being serviced in 2019. There's more details regarding that on our website. Here you can see this vehicle does come with a full cloth upholstery finish. That's extremely comfortable for the passengers in the rear. You also have plenty of leg room. As we move round to the rear of the vehicle now, we will be taking a look into the boot. Here you can see you do have a very spacious boot, enough space for multiple suitcases and all your weekly shopping. You may notice the exterior of this car has been very well looked after, as is the interior, as I'll show you in just a moment. But as we take a quick look at your 15-inch silver alloy wheels that really complement your white exterior very nicely. Here you can see you do have your full leather multifunction steering wheel, as well as your full cloth upholstery finished front seats. These are extremely comfortable and you can set that perfect drive position with your lumbar supports just below. It does make for a lovely place to be. That will conclude our full 360 walk around. We'll now be taking a seat inside to look over some of the brilliant key features. On your right side you do have your 4 electric windows as well as your electronically adjustable window mirror controls. Just up from that you do have your traction controls and your brightness for your headlights. On the right side of the steering wheel you do have all your audio controls as well as your voice recognition. And on the left side you do have some more audio controls as well. Just behind that you do have your headlight controls as shown there. Taking a quick look at your dashboard now, you can see it has done 42,420 miles on the clock. Moving over to your main multimedia display screen now. Here you can see you do have access to all the vital information you might need when on the go. It's very easy to navigate around as shown here, with your FM and AM stations there, as well as connecting via the media with your CD outlet just there. You can also use the USB and AUX port to play your favourite songs. Moving down now you do have your climate controls, again very easy to navigate around as shown there. You also have a handy bit of storage just there. Below that you have your USB, AUX and your 12-volt power outlet. You also have your 5-speed manual gearbox and your manual handbrake with your 2 integrated cup holders. Thank you for watching my video today on the Hyundai i20. If you'd like to take this vehicle for a test drive, please give us a call on 01204 786 586. This vehicle does come with our Motor Match promise of either 30 days or 1,000 miles warranty. We do also offer 3 years RAC warranty as well. We have some brilliant finance packages available that we can tailor to your exact needs. Please note all our cars come with a £150 admin fee. This does cover the promisey check. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed and keep your eyes peeled for our latest stock that's uploaded weekly.